Happy Sunday. Thanks for logging on to WXYZ.com. I'm meteorologist Denise Isaac. Waking up to mostly clear skies, so bright and sunny early, but throughout the day we'll start to see clouds on the increase thanks to this area of low pressure to our west that will be approaching Metro Detroit a lot sooner than expected. But overall, we do stay dry on this Sunday, so don't cancel your outdoor activities. If you're headed to service this morning, make sure you do have your sunglasses. A jacket wouldn't be a bad idea, as temperatures will be in the mid to upper 30s. But throughout the day, with the wind out of the southwest, we will warm up quite nicely. We're looking at low 60s. High clouds will start moving in, and then by tonight, that's when we end up under cloudy to mostly cloudy conditions. But once again, I mentioned we do stay dry, so it's a great day for any outdoor activities. And even if you want some ice cream or custard, I know I saw a lot of lines yesterday, it looks great. By Monday though, we are talking rain. But overall, here's our planner for our Sunday. We're looking at bright sunny skies by 9, 44, 11, mostly sunny, 52. Clouds do increase by 1 p.m., 58, and more clouds by 5 when we reach that high of 60. But once again, some spots will be in the low 60s, meaning 61, 62, 63. So sunshine early, afternoon clouds. Tonight, because of the clouds, we don't drop as much. We're looking at 43. And by Monday, 50% chance for rain. Most of the rain will happen in the afternoon. Heavy at times. We're looking at rainfall totals around an inch. In some spots closer to 2 inches. Highs will be in the upper 50s. So the rain starts Monday, ends Tuesday morning. By Wednesday, we dry out, 57. But Wednesday night, we're looking at another storm system moving across the area, leaving a chance for rain Thursday. Early rain on Friday, but at least opening day at Comerica Park stays dry and cool.